Dorelia Network Drama and Lifestyle Channel. Echoes in the Dome. Episode: Faults and Futures. The dome's outer supports shift during a microquake, forcing everyone into lockdown. Kaylin and Lyra work side by side in the dark, remembering how it started between them. Jessa finds Markin alone, fixing a cracked viewport with bare hands and no suit. She helps him seal it and whispers, "You do not have to save everything alone."
Ariane Vale. Skincare for the light you keep to yourself.
Saul reach Ledger Field Report Desk. New Velarda 4 tags found on Titan refinery walls. Byline: Tessanve corporate beat. Fresh graffiti bearing the phrase Velarda 4 appeared across maintenance corridors of a Titan refinery in the Procyon sector. Surveillance systems were active but show no intrusions. Titan security issued no formal statement. Insiders claim this marks the third such incident in as many cycles.
Dryline Electrogaz. Patch it, charge it, forget it.